Hello and welcome. Today we are going to look at differentiation from first principle. Okay, differentiation from first principle. But before we look at that one, let's look at the main definition of differentiation. When we say differentiation, what does it mean? The method of finding the slope of a tangent to a curve at any point on the curve is called differentiation. So when we say differentiation, in other words, it's a method of finding a slope. And when we say a slope, I hope you know what a slope is. We are talking about what? A gradient. So anytime you find a differentiation, the answer you get is the same as what? A gradient or a slope of a point on a tangent. Is that okay? Very good. Now let's look at formula for finding the differentiation from the first principle. So this is the formula for finding the differentiation from the first principle. dy dx equals f prime of x equals the limit as h approaches 0 of f at x plus h minus f at x all over h. Now we denote the differentiation by dy dx or f prime of x. This is the first principle or the first differentiation. So in this case, the dy dx can also be written as f prime as x. So whether you use this one or use this one and you equate it to this. Is that okay? Very good. So now let's see how we can solve this. So this is the formula. Anytime the question asks you to find the differentiation from the first principle, you are going to use this formula. And either you use dy dx equals to this or f prime at x equals this. Okay. Okay, now let's look at these examples. Differentiate from the first principle with respect to x. Y equals x squared, y equals x cubed, y equals root x, then y equals 1 over x, the y didn't come, x plus 2 to the power 2, all of them to the power 2, so y equals to that, y equals s cubed plus x. So let's start with the I. Y equals x squared. Now, you know that this y can also be written as f at x. This is a function, okay? So in this case, we can say that f at x equals to x squared. Is that okay? Now we are using the first principle, so use the formula. So the formula, which one are you using?